So Hangman by me. So my goal was to make a Hangman game that worked. Program. So my program used many parts, including loops, if statements, variables, and a lot more. So for test everything, I tested it many times. One problem I had was when it couldn't replay like the game when I wanted it to. I fixed it though. If I could change something about my program, I would add more words that you could guess for Hangman. And so demo. And okay. So this is my program.
Wait, how long is it?
So it asks to guess a letter. And then you have a letter to guess. Yeah. Huh?
E.
Okay. So that's E. So it says wrong, and so it asks to guess another letter. Yeah.
T.
T. So it's still wrong.
U.
U. It's still wrong. Any others? Yeah.
A.
Okay. So that's right. So there's 4 letters, and A is the second letter. Yeah. I. That's still wrong. Yeah.
B.
That's wrong again.
Wait, we already got 1 right? Why?
But there's 14 lives, which is a lot.
14. Oh, 14 right. Okay. Wait, is there any Y?
No. So something
B?
A, something yeah. We already guessed T. That's what we can.
I said P.
P. Oh, that's right. So that's the last letter. So it's something, then A, then something, then P.
Did we already try E? Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't you guess a letter?
Okay.
That's not fair.
Okay. M. So it's something A M P.
A, M, P, amp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So L.
I said
Wrong.
R.
Huh?
I said R.
R. Ramp. No. It's actually camp.
Oh yeah,
So I didn't
at a camp. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
So it's
How many
right
words
and
are
then
there?
1. So then last you want to play again. Right now we don't want to play again, so I just say no. And then it's just nothing.
Okay, does anyone have any questions? He has a question.
I don't know, there's not that many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12.
Oh, anyone else have any questions for her?
No.
All right, let's give her a round of applause.